Okay, so this is Shelley, who just told me she's going to be 65 on her next birthday. Are they going to throw you a big party?
I do not know.
Wow. How does 65 feel?
I will know it when it comes on the 4th of October.
Oh, okay. So we got to wait till you get there.
Yeah.
Okay. Mostly I hear people who say 65 feels just like it did when I was 40. Is that kind of how it feels for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you sure don't look 65. And you took your mom out for dinner?
Sunday night.
Where'd you go?
Me, Mindy, Becky, Keith, and Alex.
Okay.
We went to the Back House Steakhouse.
Oh, nice. Is that your mom's favorite?
She likes steak, so
So why not? Yeah. Now let's make sure that this is good and numb. Do you feel anything sharp when I poke in here? No? Okay, that was the right answer.
no.
Okay. Look at that big chunk coming out there.
Yep. I'm glad we're doing that.
Yeah, so if they're numb and we can trim them way back on the sides, then we won't have to numb them up for probably another 8 or 9 months to do this again.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta lower you here a little bit. That's a big chunk.
Yes. I'm glad we decided to numb them today.
Oh yeah.
So if we don't, it'd be hard to get them on.
Right, I could never get this deep without numbing them.
No. Because the tours are the ones that we carry to get at.
Yep. Good. So is it raining out yet?
Huh?
Did it look like rain when you came in?
Nope.
Is it beautiful out there?
Yes.
You go outside and walk much when it's nice out?
Can't walk too far.
Okay.
Because the foot might throw up.
Oh, okay.
I had a triple fusion done on my left foot.
Yep, I remember that.
That's another hard one.
Yeah. Got that one done.
I remember Dr. Paul Kavik did the surgery.
He did the surgery?
Yep.
He's a nice guy. He's a good doc.
Yep.
Yeah. Come back and smooth that one down. And now, how about this one? Anything sharp here? How about over here? Anything sharp there? Okay, good. Big
Whoa,
chunk.
look at that big piece.
Yep. Okay, can you point that down toward me? There you go. So it's good that we're able to trim these down because those would become ingrown toenails in a few weeks if we didn't. Then the next couple times you come in, we won't have to dig down so hard.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to thin everything out and smooth them down now.
Okay.
And then I'll just put a little Band-Aid over it on that one. And Does that hurt or is that just a vibration? Yeah, just vibrating?
Yeah.
What'd you do to the top of your foot here?
Itches.
Is your shoe rubbing on it?
Yep.
Did you change your shoe then? Or
Yeah.
put a band? Is it the shoes you're wearing today?
No.
Okay. All right, so I'm just going to put a little antibiotic here
Okay.
and just leave this on till tomorrow, okay?
All right.
And that should be just fine. If it gives you any trouble, you give me a call, okay?
Yep.
And then the numbness should wear off in about 3-4 hours.
Oh, all right.
And I don't imagine you're gonna have really any pain.
No.
Well, thank you for letting us videotape today.
Oh, you're welcome.
Here, I'll take one of those.
And August 9th, my great-granddaughter is getting married.
Very exciting.
And up in Duluth.
Yes.
They're going to get married in a barn.
That's very popular around here these days.
Yeah.
All right.